Hey guys, Danny here. Today I'm looking at some wireless earphones. These were sent to me for review. You can pick these up from Amazon. They're currently retailing at £44. What's interesting about these wireless earbuds is they are using Bluetooth 5.0, so you're getting the latest Bluetooth technology, which even some of the more expensive headphones aren't actually using yet, and these come in at a respectable price, so I'm hoping that the quality of them is pretty good. I really like the design and the color of these earphones. I'm definitely a fan of the cleaner kind of matte stealth look for a lot of tech. I'm not a fan usually of brighter colors, so these do really appeal to me. You can see they do have a little sticker underneath, so make sure you peel these off and get these things charging. In my usage, I got about 2.5 hours of playtime with the earbuds on a full charge. You can recharge them between 4 and 5 times. I got about 4 charges. I took these to the gym with me, and I also did some skipping, which I'll show you later on. The overall design for these earbuds in my short testing seemed pretty robust. They fit nice and snugly in the case. This is often a problem when I've used headphones of this nature, where they have these little carry cases they sit in. They often don't fit very tightly, and sometimes they don't even charge properly. These seem to fit nicely, and I didn't have any problems with them not charging. The only thing I wasn't too keen on is the LED indicator, which indicates the charge status of the earbuds. You basically get a blinking system. One blink indicates 25%, and it then goes up to 4. It's a little bit of a basic method, and it's not my favorite way of showing the battery percentage, but at least you can tell what charge they're at. Of course, you also get your micro USB charging cable and some spare earbuds. You want to make sure you're wearing the right size so these don't move around and fall out of your ears if you're doing any sort of exercise. I've now got them on charge, and you can see they're sitting in the case, and it's indicating that they're almost at fully charged by showing 4 flashes. Pairing these earbuds with my phone was probably one of the easiest experiences I've had with these type of wireless headphones. Once I removed them from the case, they connected to each other, and you can see the main earbud starts flashing. You then simply connect to the earbuds via Bluetooth on your smartphone. Putting them back into the case turns them off, which is really handy. The audio quality on these earbuds, in my opinion, was pretty good with a decent bass and volume level, but I'm not an audiophile and I don't usually listen to music at really high volumes, so please bear this in mind. These aren't going to compete with really high-end earbuds, but for me they sounded pretty clear and a good volume with decent bass. I also wore these while doing some skipping, and they didn't fall out of my ears or move around too much, but this is down to choosing the right earbuds, so of course they don't fall out of your ears. I really like these earbuds, and I think they'll be my new daily pair. I'll definitely be using these at the gym and when I'm working out, since that's when I most often use them. The Bluetooth connectivity for these seemed pretty good. I didn't have any issues with cutting out or them losing connection. I was also able to walk quite a distance from my phone before I started to lose connection, so my overall experience with these earbuds was pretty good. They have a really high rating on Amazon, so I'm not an audiophile as I said, but these seem pretty good to my standards. So I really hope you enjoyed the video, guys. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing for more videos like this one, and of course I will see you in the next one.